If you want to scale a credit repair business, you literally need two things: getting deletions and marketing. If you have those two things, you're gonna literally make money. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the number one reason why organic marketing credit repair business owners tend to stay poor. So I have a mentorship program and I've seen the activities of a lot of credit repair business owners, and I've noticed certain patterns of why certain ones succeed and certain credit repair business owners don't succeed. I mentored one of my mentees. His name is Khaled. I did a case study with him, so you guys can go ahead and watch that video if you go to the client results playlist. And what I noticed about him and why he was able to succeed faster than some people that have been doing it way longer is just simply following the principles that are the opposite of most credit repair business owners. Most credit repair business owners, they literally simply do not run ads, right? So that's number one I want y'all to realize, right? So number one reason why they don't tend to succeed, the organic marketing credit repair business owners, is because they do not run ads. Khaled, I was able to help him retire his 9 to 5. He was working a 9 to 5 that he didn't like. And, he was able to retire it. So like I said, go ahead and watch that case study video and just kind of study the patterns of how he's articulating himself and what he was able to do. So not running ads leads to less visibility. If you're a credit repair business owner, if you're any business owner, visibility is very, very important if you're trying to scale. If you're trying to do it on a small level, you're trying to work your 9 to 5 forever and just have the credit repair as a side hustle, do not run ads. But if you want to actually scale your business with predictability, you have to run ads, right? And I know a lot of credit repair business owners I've spoken with, they say stuff like, oh, I don't know how to run ads. You can't afford not to know how to run ads when this is a business, right? This is a business. There's no feelings attached to it. So you just have to logically understand how to run it. So less visibility leads to less money. This is business, right? I'm going to show y'all an ads tracking sheet that I actually give my students in my mentorship program. So this leads to the myth, essentially, that you don't have to invest in yourself. Because you got to look at it when you're running ads as it's an investment in your business. So think about it. If somebody's deciding on who they want to do credit repair with and they want to judge character as far as who's more serious about their business, from a logical standpoint, would it make more sense to be with the business owner that's running a lot of ads for visibility, or be with the business owner that is just having a cheap mentality and they don't necessarily want to invest money because they don't understand, ads, right? They don't understand the importance of visibility. Remember, this is business. A lot of credit repair business owners, organic marketing ones, they have the mentality of people that are just like employees. If you're running a business, you have to invest into your business. This means running ads. Why do you think that like Super Bowl ads are so expensive? Y'all saw the Super Bowl ad that Kanye did. He got a very, very healthy ROAS, return on ad spend, if you don't know what that means. So when you don't run ads, you're basically, without even knowing it, you're being cheap because you're not investing in your business. You have to invest in your business. So remember that. On top of that, too, if you continue not running ads, which leads to less visibility, which leads to less money, and you have that mindset of you don't have to invest in yourself, you don't have to invest in your business, you're going to stay stuck at that 5 to 20K a month mark in your credit repair business, right? If you want to scale past the 5 to 20K a month mark, you have to run ads. You have to get visibility. That's why my student Khaled, he's already made over $10,000, within his business. He was able to do it just based off of the fact that he understood that you need visibility, right? Don't look at it as like I have to spend this. It's it's an investment into your business and it's a write-off. So just keep that in mind. You have to run ads. So this is an actual tracking sheet for ads that I give my students. I know a lot of y'all right now that aren't even associated, with my mentorship program. You might be stuck right now in your credit repair business. You're not knowing how to actually run it. You're not knowing how to get your next client. You're not knowing how to get, good leads. You're thinking like, dang, I don't know. I don't even know how to run ads. You're watching this and you're like, I don't even know how to run ads. I don't even know where to start. Ads do not have to be complicated. And we have a system here where we track our ads so that we know how it's performing. So we know to get rid of the ads that aren't performing as well. So we know to increase the budget. So we know to decrease the budget, things of that nature. So there's no way around it. I don't care how complicated you think ads are, you have to figure it out. And the big thing, the mindset shift that I teach my students is you can, in fact, run your ads by yourself. And that's what I teach them to do. You can obviously hire an agency that knows what they're doing, but what are the chances of that happening and them caring about your business more than you care about your business? You're going to run your ads as best as possible because you actually care about your situation. So we have variables and different values. So these are just populated, it's just random numbers, but it basically, as you change it, it's like a formula and it changes everything. So as you get new followers, you look at the ad spend. Let's say we spend $136, and then we go to the cost per follower, about $4. We book 4 calls. Cost per call. We look at cash collected. That's $3,000. So let's say we close 2 out of those 4 sales calls, so $3,000. So our ROAS, or return on ad spend, you're basically looking at what's it called? Your cash collected divided by your ad spend. So like, let's say I'm doing something as simple as $20 a day. $20 a day after 5 days, that's $100, right? And so within that 5-day period, I book 4 calls. If I close 1 or 2 calls, I already made a huge return on my investment, right? $100 all the way up to $1,500 to $3,000, depending on what I'm charging for my services. So I say that to say, if you're a credit repair business owner, you're not going to scale unless you're running ads. I don't know where this steep mentality comes from with credit repair business owners, where they think that they don't have to invest in their business, not even just in mentorship, but they don't have to invest in advertisement. But if you really want to actually scale your business, you have to be running ads. If you're not running ads right now, you don't care about your business. I'm here to tell you, you hate money if you're not running ads, right? So keep that in mind. And yeah, so we give this to our students so that they can go ahead and track their ads and just make it super convenient for them to look at. So that's pretty much the number one reason why organic marketing credit repair business owners tend to stay poor. And when I say poor, I'm talking about people that pass over opportunities repeatedly, right? Poor may be just a mindset. If we're talking about broke, that's, money wise. So be both arenas. So if you want to stay stuck at the 5 to 20K a month mark, then continue not running ads, but you have to run ads if you actually want to scale and build an actual predictable business. Because once you understand that you have a good ad that's running, or good ads that are running, it just gets to the point of, okay, every time I put $1 in, I get $5. So what happens when you put $2 and you're gonna get $2 to $10, right? So it just becomes a numbers game and it becomes a system. Everything when it comes to business, I know a lot of y'all that are watching this, you're new to business, so you don't know how business works, and that's why you haven't been able to break past 5 to 20K a month. I've been able to break past all these marks because I understand business. I invest in myself. I invest in ads, I invest in visibility. I understand how business works. A lot of y'all don't understand how business works, so this is why you're staying stuck at that level. So when you're able to change the mindset and you understand that, okay, I'm not running ads right now, I need to make it no excuses to where I am running ads. You're going to grow your business. On top of that, too, you need the proper guidance. I didn't just come out the womb just running ads. I paid people. I invested with people to learn the game. I don't just have credit repair mentors. I have mentors that run ads as well, right? So it just comes down to not being cheap. That's just what it comes down to. It comes to investing yourself in terms of learning how to do the ads. We literally have a mentorship program, which I'm going to walk through right now. So if you've been getting value from what I'm saying, you had some insights as far as what's going on, you know that you need to be running ads, then stay until the end of the video, because I'm going to basically help you change your mindset and help you change your situation. Because, well, let me not say I'm going to help you change your situation. Well, technically I am, but it's your choice if you're going to change your own situation. So we have our CAC Credit mentorship. If you did not know, basically, we have this system called the CAC Credit Bulletproof Scaling System. It's a multi-stage process from where a client goes from a new engager all the way to a customer. So if you want to run your credit repair business like a real business, you need to implement the CAC Credit Bulletproof Scaling System. There's no way to scale your credit repair business in 2024 if you're not implementing the CAC Credit Bulletproof Scaling System, if you're not running ads, if you're not posting valuable content, things like that. You can get money here and there, but if you're going to actually scale your business to new heights, you need to run ads. You need to implement the CAC Credit Bulletproof Scaling System. And we have a training called God Made Marketing where we walk y'all through all of that. If you want more information on our mentorship program, go ahead and watch the main video on my channel. It'll basically, it's like a 40-minute video that breaks down everything that it comes with. So keep that in mind. Keep in mind the price is always going up as we add more value. So as I'm recording this, the price may be different over time. So, don't get hurt over that if you take long to take action. So pretty much one of the ways our mentorship works is I understand the importance of advertisement. I understand the importance of visibility. So I would hop on a one-on-one call with you. This is if you get the full mentorship program. I'm not talking about the lower tier versions of the mentorship. So we hop on a one-on-one onboarding call and we basically help you script out your ads, right? So as soon as you get in the program, you have to go through a training called God Made Marketing because I understand visibility, I understand marketing, I understand all of that, right? So you go through all of that, you do your homework, you hop on a one-on-one onboarding call with me. We literally work together in the trenches, working on your scripting out your ads, right? So we get down straight to it, answer your questions and things of that nature, just so that we could fix the traffic problem or help you continue to elevate your traffic. So once that's done, you record your ad, you run your ads, and we test out different angles. We get rid of the losing ads, the lower performing ads, and then we just go from there. You decide on what you want to do. I know a lot of credit repair business owners that have the misconception like, oh, ads are expensive. If you're running your own ads, you could start as low as like $10 to $20 a day. If you don't have $10 to $20 a day to invest in your business, then you shouldn't even be having a business. You're not serious, right? So keep that in mind. And yes, literally that simple. So running ads doesn't have to be complicated. Like I said, those of y'all that are my students, you understand in the God Made Marketing training, I walk through it. It's pretty simple as far as running the ads yourself. And as you use the chat ads tracking sheet template, this is a very valuable resource because it helps you stay organized as far as your ads. So we have this matrix over here for sales calls, and just inserting different different numbers and things like that. So it's literally that simple. Link in the description if you want to book a call to see if you can get into our mentorship program. I will let you know now. It's not cheap. You can get that it's not cheap because something as simple as running ads and actually running your business like an actual business. The return on that investment is through the roof, right? So if you're not ready to make a serious investment in your business, do not book a call. I won't take it personal. Just continue watching the free videos and do what you can with the free information. But if you're ready to stop staying stuck, you're ready to stop being stuck at, let's scroll back up. If you're ready to stop being stuck at the 5 to 20K a month mark, you're ready to build a real business and start scaling with predictability, go ahead and click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we'll hop on a call. We'll basically ask you some questions here and there, look at your current situation, see where you're trying to go, and feel like if I can help you. If you're not running ads right now and you feel like you have a traffic problem, you feel like it's hard for you to close high quality clients, you feel like it's hard for you to get consistent clients, I'm very confident we can help you. Go look at my IG highlights, look at all the client wins that we've posted. My students are always winning. And, I look forward to hopping on a call with you. Bring a credit card and let's get straight to it. Y'all have a blessed one.